everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to maintain rankings for SEO. Now this is a topic that we could talk a lot about, but these are just some really important things that I think that you'll find very, very useful. So the first thing that I have here is Google Analytics Intelligent Events, and what this allows you to do is see if your traffic goes above or below a certain level, and you can look at that on the URL by URL basis. So if you know that you've optimized certain posts for SEO, that you usually get this amount of traffic and it goes under that, then what we can do is we can target those URLs specifically for SEO again. And I'm going to talk about some of the ways you can do that. So definitely check out Intelligent Events. It can be a great way to keep an eye on some of those most important keywords and URLs. Another thing that you can do is consistent internal linking. So one of the big things that helps a lot in SEO, and it's very, very big nowadays, is if you have a page on, so let's say SEO, right? That's what you're trying to optimize it for. That's the keyword. And you're writing multiple other posts on SEO, and then you're linking back from these pages specifically back into your main page that you want to rank for those specific terms. What that's going to do is that's going to be an indicator from Google to rank this page higher. So by having consistent internal linking, by writing on topics that really play into the same theme as the keywords that you're going after on your main page, you're going to be able to drive that page up higher and higher and higher. What happens is Google comes in, they crawl this post, they see this post, they see the internal linking, then they go back and crawl this main page, and we pass that authority on to these other pages. Also, if other people have linked to these blog posts, that authority comes from here into that internal link onto that new page, onto that service page. So that's a very, very important thing to do to maintain SEO rankings. Also, building brand awareness around your money terms. So, Amazon, they were originally one of the #1 leaders in books, right? And now they rank awesome for all those book-related terms. So if you want to rank #1 for blue widgets, you could say, company X #1 in blue widgets, right? And by using that in your marketing, people are going to link to you naturally with those terms that you associate with in your marketing. So it's a really good idea to make sure that you're using your money terms inside of your marketing, okay? Item number 4, over time, you're gonna want to continue to work on those individual pages that you're trying to get ranked higher and higher, right? There's no question about that, and I think a lot of times what people do is they'll create a page, it gets ranked, and they just kind of leave it there. But you've got to be proactive. And here are a couple things you can do. So you can look at click-through rate, right? So you can see click-through rate inside of Webmaster Tools. If you've got a low click-through rate on certain pages, you can always work to improve that, right? And one of the ways you can do that is by looking at the meta titles, descriptions, improving those, juxtaposing that with your AdWords ads, see which AdWords ads are having the highest click-through rate based off of what you're creating there, and then use that for your same SEO landing pages. In addition, you want to keep updating the items on the page, right? And keep refining and improving the items on the page. So by adding new content, by adding new relevant content, by improving the images on the page, on those top pages that you're looking to maintain SEO rankings for, or even grow SEO rankings for, that's going to allow you to improve the rankings there, or at least keep them where you want. You can't get any higher than #1, right? Item number 5. So, of course, encourage social shares, but also try to get user-generated content, right? So things like reviews or comments on individual landing pages can be really strong signals to not only maintain rankings for SEO, but push them even higher. So if you've got users doing your work for you, that's a great thing, because then you don't have to write new content, update it as often, because if other people are creating these reviews, these comments, that helps quite a bit. Of course, you want to continue with backlinking, so trying to find ways to drive links into those individual pages. And then the last thing that I have here is make sure that you're looking at your rank tracking tools, but not just looking at your rank tracking tools, looking at them by theme, right? So one of the things that I really like to do is segment out the keywords based off of the theme of the keywords. So whether it be your local pages, your service pages, your info pages, and the associated keywords that you're trying to rank for with each of those, what you can do is you can look at these themes, and then on a template by template basis, you can kind of determine what's working, what's not, what you can do to improve to either maintain your SEO rankings or grow your SEO rankings. So these were 7 things, 7 different ways to maintain SEO rankings. I hope this was interesting to you. Have a good day.